smart. You know there's something underneath there. Oh, he's so smart. He's so smart. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. What a smart cat. Go for it. You broke it. What'd you do? You broke it. He wants to eat it. He doesn't want to catch it. He wants to eat it.